Duka maduong' mar Naivas weruche makawuono chako yao bade mar 76 e kar dak ma pipeline Embakasi buore Nairobi. Koloso e kinde nyasi noero jatelo weche mag uso manoero head of marketing mar duka noero mar Naivas mano Mikai Jesinta Wainaina owacho ni gi yawo duka noero kono kata pipeline kono ero kaluore kod kwan mag oganda mathoth mabende odak e kar dak ma pipeline ka bende gin kod geno ni gibiro yudo yuto makare e bad duka noero manyien ma yawo pipeline Embakasi.
Jesinta Wainaina. I'm the head of marketing at Naivas Limited, and today we are very excited. We're opening our 11th express store, which is actually the 75th store countrywide. Yes.
So why here, this particular location, and why now?
Of course, it's a very populous area. It's surrounded by several estates. And why now? Of course, the brand has been expanding, but more critically, the customers have also been growing. So of course, before you go into any location, there's a lot of research that goes into it so that you know whether you're making the best bet in terms of are there customers and is that a need for them at that particular time, and this met all the criteria, so it made sense to come.
What does today mean to you as the head of marketing?
Of course, it means as a brand, we are impacting society, because one of the key things that the business is very keen on is empowerment, and especially women empowerment, and that can only happen if the business is growing. And once we grow, there's a mama mboga somewhere who will be able to supply us in this particular location because there was no store. So every incremental store means that the business is also impacting the society in a bigger way. Yes.
So what does it mean for the people around here, and what's your message to them?
What it means is that finally you're going to have a Naivas, and you know our brand promise is that we save you money. So definitely the money is going to be saved, and in more ways than just one. Not just the competitive pricing, but now we are in a more convenient location for them, so they don't have to go very far searching for us. Yes.
So is there anything else that you want to add in the podcast?
Most definitely, Naivas is a homegrown brand, and so we want to ask Kenyans to keep supporting us and to keep showing us the love, because it's because of their support that we are here today, and we want to be here beyond 100 stores and many more to come. Yeah.
Is there anything else that you want to add?
Of course, there are other projects that are coming up. We've been confirmed for Juja City Mall, also Greenspan Mall. There's another Embakasi that's coming. So yeah, we are here to stay. We are here to stay.